This is my super delicious chai pocket recipe. We won't be making the dough from scratch. Instead, we'll be using spring roll wrappers. Today's recipe is intensively crispy, quick and easy. Are you ready? In a bowl, add the glass noodles and warm water. Rehydrate until soft for about 10 minutes. Drain the noodles and cut them into half-inch pieces. In a pan over medium heat, add the avocado oil or other cooking oil that you enjoy and beaten eggs. Scramble until completely cooked through and into small pieces. And let it cool down to room temperature. In a large mixing bowl, add the chives and sesame oil. The sesame oil will prevent the chives from releasing too much liquid while making the filling. You can also replace it with other types of cooking oil. Also add the glass noodles, eggs, raw deveined shrimp, oyster sauce, salt, and white pepper. Mix well. Place the spring roll wrapper flat, like a diamond shape. Add about 3 tablespoons of the filling in the center. Tightly roll it up. Fold the left edge toward the center, followed by the right. Continue rolling it up. Brush the beaten egg all over the top. Roll it up all the way. And repeat with the rest. Over medium-high heat, add the avocado oil or other cooking oil that you enjoy. Add the chai pockets. Pan fry until golden brown for about 2 minutes. Flip. Pan fry until golden brown on this side too, 2 minutes. Normally, when you eat the chai pocket, you can just eat it the way it is. But if you like to pair it with a dipping sauce, you could also try my soy vinegar chili dipping sauce. Add the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, and chili oil. And you can click here for the most delicious homemade chili oil recipe. This is absolutely delicious. The shrimp is really bouncy and you can hear the sound how crispy it is, and everything is so savory, so delicious. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. If you like it, subscribe, thumbs up. Bye!